Guess what? Now I'm in Woodtech. I'm filming it in Woodtech. This is so red, right?
Yeah. Very cool, yeah.
Yeah. Remember, I filmed it going off in Woodtech once before, but this is part 2.
So, let's use the rest of the time right now. Finish up that worksheet. Let's take a look at the back. What ones are hardwoods, what ones are softwoods? So let's go through the list. Maple, hard or soft? Hard, excellent. Pine, soft. Oak.
Here's the one in the finish room flashing. Check that out. That's Felicity. This is the feliciest thing that ever happened. My friend Gorniak let me film this. He's teaching Woodtech right now. And that one over there is just a speaker. If you come in here, there's another Felicity flashing. Check that out. Red. Let's go check the one in other rooms. Yeah, that one is just a speaker. Red, look at that. Felicity red.
So, yes.
Please excuse the interruption. The fire department is resetting the system. If the alarm goes off, please disregard the alarm. Thank you.
All right, so one of us go off and see quick. Excellent question, Jaden. Bark being on a tree or on a log, does it help increase decay or decrease decay? So if the tree's still got its roots in the ground, the bark is outer protective layer. It helps keep the moisture out, but the tree's growing, so there's moisture inside anyway, and it's part of the growth of the tree. Now, when you cut a tree down with the bark on there, in the old days, they would air dry the wood, so they would actually have to peel the bark off and leave the logs in the sun for like 4 years until the wood got dry enough where they could actually cut it into lumber. If they left the bark on, it probably would take longer for it to dry. The environment in the earth with bark on it